guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we're going to be checking out the Sephora Play box. So let's get in and let's get into the box. Okay guys, so welcome back. As we said, we are checking out the Sephora Play box for the month of September. For those of you who don't know, what we do on this channel is we open up subscription boxes, we do reviews, we do hauls. So if you're into videos like that, definitely make sure you like and subscribe. So this is a Sephora box. And for those of you who don't, I usually do like a battle of the boxes. So this month we're doing Allure versus Sephora. So that video is probably going to come up a day or so after this one. So if you guys want to check it out, definitely make sure you check out that video. So let's get into Sephora Play and see what they have in their box. So with every box Sephora Play, it is a $10 box, and what you get is 5 to 6 different beauty products. They're usually sample size or deluxe size products. But the reason why I would like this box is because it's a higher quality than the other boxes that you can get for the same price. There really isn't a box for the same price anymore. I know with Ipsy it went up to $12. So this is really the only box in this category that I can think of for $10. So let's get in. Even Allure is $15. So if you kind of don't want to waste a lot, well, not waste your money, but if you kind of want higher brand quality for a cheaper price, this might be the box for you. So when you look in the box, this is what it shows you. And I'll show it this way. So it says show off and share using Sephora Play hashtag. So if you guys get the box, you can hashtag it on Instagram or Twitter or Facebook. And with each box, it comes with a theme, and then you get 50 Sephora Play points. I don't know why I don't take advantage of this one more so, but what you can do is, I know that if you buy $20 worth, you can use that, you can redeem those points on the website, but you could also redeem those points in the store. On the website, you have to spend $20. In the store, from what I understand, there's no limit to the amount that you spend, so that's cool. So this month, the theme here is Press Play Saturday Night Eyes. So it gives you different ideas. So there you go. It's like eye lipstick in 10 days, the return of the Big Bay, game of T-zones. So that's what that looks like there. And on the back, it shows you everything that's in my Sephora Play. So you guys are seeing what I got way before I have. So there you go. I don't like to look at that because I like to be surprised. So this every month comes with a little beauty bag where they put all your products in. So we're just gonna dive in and see what is in the box. So the very first item I have here is from Youth. You can tell I'm from New York. We say youth with an F, but it's really Youth to the People. And this is what is this? It's a Superfood Air Whip Moisture Cream. So this one, if you go, and I'll put the information for each of the products in the description box below so you guys can check those out. And also, if you want that Sephora Play link, you guys can check that out too. But this is it's 0.25 fluid ounces, so not a lot, but it's a moisture cream. Usually what I do with these, and it smells good, what I usually do with these moisture creams is I use them for under my eye because they're not a lot. So if you need another moisturizer, you can totally use it. But this one has kale, spinach, green tea, hyaluronic acid. Obviously I can't talk, but that's what that looks like there. And then you can see Youth to the People right there. So not bad. I've never tried Youth to the People, so I don't mind checking that out. And then the next item we have is from Makeup Forever, and this is, what is this? This is loose powder is what it says. Oh, let me go back. So for Youth to the People, let me see if that can focus on it. There you go. So Youth to the People with ingredients like spinach, kale, there you go, spinach, kale, green tea. This Air Whip hydrating cream is bound to superfood stardom. How to use a dime size amount onto clean skin in the morning and at night, then get excited for your close-up. So that's what that one was about. And then this loose, it says Makeup Forever. This is Ultra High D Microfinishing Loose Powder. So I know that we got loose powder this month. This is what the package looks like, so you guys can take a look. It's upside down, but maybe that's better. So you guys can take a look and see about that one. And then when you open it, it has like the 3 circles. There you go, so that you can use that on your skin. So let me see what this one is about so you guys can get more information. This one is whether you're watching the TV or starring in it, this ultra blurring and light diffusing matte finishes powder is a go-to. So how to use: a little goes a long way with this finishing powder. Apply a small amount on a fluffy brush, tap off the excess and apply to set makeup. So this is like a setting loose powder. So that's what that one is. And then next we have, and usually these are like bonuses, so this is a bonus. We have, this is from Giorgio Armani, so I'm sure most of you guys have heard of that. Let me see what that one smells like here. Let me see what this is. This is, it's called Passion, I think. Well, it's called C Passionné Art de Parfum. So this one is when you want to tune into something a little on the romantic side. This one is a showstopper. So it tells you the notes. So it's floral, blackcurrant, rose, and it's musk. So that's what that smells like. And let me smell and take a look to see how this one smells. This one smells really good, and it has a light floral scent. So I'm not mad about that one. I would probably buy that one because it does smell good. And then we have from First Aid Beauty. I'm not too sure. I think I've gotten this in Ipsy. It seems like something I've gotten before, but not this specific one. But I definitely have gotten First Aid Beauty before. So this one is Hello FAB, First Aid Beauty, obviously. This is Be Gone Matte Primer. So this makeup gripping primer blurs the appearance of pores. Plus, it's a non-comedogenic. Not too sure if that's correct. Of pores. Plus, so there's our no breakout performances. Totally screwed that up. Sorry about that, guys. And then it says need to know. So First Aid Beauty is on the mission to rescue your skin. So that's what that one is. So you guys can take a look. If it focuses, there you go. So that's what it is. Basically, pores be gone. So this is get rid of pores, the look of pores. And then last, oh no, sorry, I have 2 more. So the next one here is from Briogeo. Don't despair, repair. So that's what this is. And let us take a look to see what this one does. Let's see. So this is a conditioning mask for your hair. Let me see if I can get a close-up on it so it doesn't focus on me. Formulated with the naturally, let me see, sorry guys. There you go, better. Formulated with naturally derived ingredients, this mask visibly restores essential hydration. There you go. There you go. And then somewhat, right? Okay. And help straighten the strands of true hair hero story. So after shampooing, evenly apply a quarter size amount. You may need more depending on how thick your hair is. So obviously for me, it's gonna be a lot. And leave on for 10 minutes, then rinse and repeat once or twice per week. So I'm not mad at this one. This one is really good. I like Briogeo, so not mad. And then let me see, the last item here is from Nudestix. So that's what that looks like there. And then Nudestix is this long-wearing rich coral balm is a triple threat. It can be used on eyes, cheeks, and lips to create a radiant, fresh face look. So let us see how this one swatches. So it's not bad. It's not bright, which is fine because I don't wear like red lipsticks, but it's enough to get you out of the house looking decent. So let us do a recap. So we have the bag, which I do use. I actually use this for my empties videos, so that helps me stash anything that's empty, but it's like a Ziploc, so you can use that again, but I don't count that as the products. So let's do a recap and see exactly what we got. So we did get the Nudestix what is this, in Color and Poppy Girl. So we got Nudestix and Poppy Girl, and then we got hair, just Don't Despair from Briogeo. We have that here. And then we have Youth to the People. We have a moisturizing cream. And then we have the loose powder to set your makeup. So we have that. And then we have Pores Be Gone from First Aid Beauty. And then we have the perfume from Giorgio Armani. So what did you guys think of the box for September? For me, it was definitely good. I can definitely get use out of everything, just minus the loose powder, because I've gotten 2 loose powders already this month. So I'm not too sure if that's the deal for this month, but I've gotten 3 this month. So not mad, I can definitely use it, but you don't use a lot, so you don't need a lot. So what did you guys think? Did you guys get anything similar to what I got in my Sephora play? Definitely let me know in the comment section below, and as always, make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video, especially the battle of the boxes. That's gonna be up next. So you guys have a good day, guys.